Welcome to Planet Crypto Today, your channel for news related to the world of cryptocurrencies. BINANCE and its CEO are sued by the US CFTC. POLYGON launches beta of SHIB on MAINNET. South Korean authorities search for TERRA Luna co-founder Shin Hyun-sung. COINBASE calls for creating an anti-inflation stablecoin. Will April be less bleak for the price of SHIB? APECOIN community rejects proposal for new APECOIN NFT collections.
If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it.
BINANCE and its CEO are sued by the US CFTC. BINANCE and its CEO Peng Zhao are being sued by the US Commodity Futures Trading Commission CFTC for offering cryptocurrency derivatives services to US citizens without proper registration in the country. The lawsuit also includes Binance's former chief compliance officer, Samuel Lim. The CFTC accuses the defendants of violating several of the organization's regulations. The lawsuit seeks reimbursement, civil monetary penalties, permanent bans on service and registration in the country, as well as a permanent injunction against new violations of CFTC regulations. The lawsuit is based on evidence showing Binance's intentions to evade U.S. regulations. Although Binance has a platform registered in the U.S. as Binance US, the CFTC is proceeding with the lawsuit against Binance International. For his part, Binance CEO CZ denies the market manipulation accusations. POLYGON launches beta of SHIB on MAINNET. POLYGON launches the final mainnet of SHIB, its scaling solution for Ethereum. This SHIB technology bundles roll-up transactions into a zero-knowledge proof to reduce network activity. The solution offers scalability, security, and EVM compatibility for Ethereum. Mihailo Bielik, co-founder of POLYGON, urges caution to users and emphasizes the importance of giving the network time to fully mature. Telefonica Tech joins Polygon's SHIB beta for its Trustos solution. The launch follows Xink's scaling solution release. POLYGON co-founder Mihailo Bielik describes SHIB as the holy grail of blockchain scaling. South Korean authorities search for TERRA Luna co-founder Shin Hyun-sung. South Korean authorities search for TERRA Luna co-founder Shin Hyun-sung following the arrest of Do Kwon in Montenegro for alleged unstable and uncertain investments with Luna and USD tokens. South Korean prosecutors have requested arrest warrants for Shin, 3 investors, and 4 engineers for alleged fraud and illegal fundraising. Authorities claim that Shin obtained $105 million in profits from illegal sales. Meanwhile, Do Kwon will appeal the Montenegrin court's decision to extend his detention for 30 days and is believed to face similar charges to Shin. COINBASE calls for creating an anti-inflation stablecoin. COINBASE is calling for the creation of inflation-proof stablecoins. The cryptocurrency platform has urged developers to focus on creating a stablecoin that tracks the inflation rate to preserve purchasing power. The idea is for these stablecoins to counteract the monetary policy decisions of central banks and be tied to the cost of living by tracking the consumer price index and inflation data. COINBASE aims to fill the gap between fiat-backed currencies and volatile cryptocurrencies. The initiative is backed by investor Ray Dalio. Will April be less bleak for the price of SHIB? The price of Shiba Inu breaks a resistance line but struggles to maintain its increase. If the price closes below $0.5096, it would invalidate the bullish outlook and could fall to $0.5070. The price of SHIB has risen since the March 10th low and validated the Fibonacci retracement support level of 0.786 at $0.5095. However, the daily RSI is still below 50, suggesting weakness. If SHIB fails to increase, it could fall to the Fibonacci retracement support level of 0.786. If the breakout materializes, SHIB could move to the nearest resistance at $0.40123. The future trend of Shiba Inu SHIB remains uncertain. APECOIN community rejects proposal for new APECOIN NFT collections. The APECOIN community has rejected the launch of 2 new NFT collections, APECOIN Armory Club and APECOIN Pet Club, proposed by APECOIN DAO. The majority of voters, 83.95%, rejected the proposal, with only 10.01% of the community in favor. The two collections would have had 10,000 ETHs each and an estimated total cost of $168,000. The ETHs could have been linked to metaverse projects such as Otherside, Decentraland, and The Sandbox. Yuga Labs, the company behind Bored Ape Yacht Club, announced the captains of the virtual event Otherside Second Trip, which had over 7,200 simultaneous players at one point. Bitcoins are also taking off, and the auction for the first Bitcoin-based NFT collection by Yuga Labs raised $16.5 million in 24 hours. Amazon Web Services has also hinted at its foray into the NFT space.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with your family, friends, or enemies on your social networks.
You feel fucking